BI Connector users no longer have to remain in the dark when facing connectivity issues with the BI server. In this video, we'll look at the new Run Diagnostics feature of BI Connector. This feature enables users to troubleshoot several connectivity issues when attempting to connect to an OBIEE data source, and displays a message directing users toward the right solution. We'll take a look at the 5 most common types of connection failures that users typically encounter. Let's say I want to add OBIEE dev subject area as a data source. I'll click Add in the ODBC Data Source Administrator, then choose BI Connector Driver, and click Finish. Now I'm in the connection window, and I'll enter the required DSN information. In this example, I'm entering an incorrect user ID or password. When I click Test Connection, I see the error, and to get more information, I'll click Run Diagnostics. In the Connection Diagnostics window, I see that my login failed because of an invalid username or password. Now I can enter the correct password and run the diagnostic again. This time it worked, and to ensure that the correct credentials will be saved, I'll click Apply Settings. This changes the incorrect password to the right one, and now my connection test is successful. To save the data source with the correct credentials, I'll click Save. In this example, my credentials are fine, but the BI server is down. After testing the connection, I see the connection fails, so I'll click Run Diagnostics. The Connection Diagnostics reads, Connection error, unable to connect to the server. I also get a message to contact my OBIEE network admin to check into connectivity issues. Some connectivity issues might require the intervention of BI Connector support. In this case, the solution also includes a prompt to send the log files to BI Connector support. I can simply click the Open Log Folder link at the bottom of the Connection Diagnostics window and quickly access the log files to send to BI Connector support. In this example, I don't have the proper access rights to connect to the server. I'll test the connection, which is successful, but the warning message lets me know that I don't have access to a service privilege and that I should contact my administrator. In this example, my credentials are fine, but web services are disabled on the OBIEE side. I'll test the connection, run the diagnostic, and now the message states that the web services endpoint cannot be accessed. The solution is to contact the OBIEE network admin, who can enable the required services. I can also send the log file to BI Connector support, and I can click Open Log Folder to find that file. In my final example, I'm trying to connect to a single sign-on account, but forgetting to check the single sign-on box. I'll test the connection, run the diagnostic, and the message says to enable single sign-on, which has been done for me above in the window, so all I have to do is click Apply Settings, test the connection again, and save. Note that the single sign-on box will be checked automatically during the diagnostic stage only if the default SSO is enabled in OBIEE. If your OBIEE is configured with OAM or a custom SSO, please contact BI Connector support and share your log files. BI Connector users no longer have to wait for technical assistance when facing connectivity issues with the BI server. The new Run Diagnostics feature is your personal technical assistant, enabling you to troubleshoot connectivity issues on your own. The Run Diagnostics feature is available in BI Connector version 4.8 and above. Are you facing challenges in visualizing OBIEE data in your favorite tool? Try BI Connector.